Back to the channel, man. This '06 PT Cruiser finally got me. Finally caught up with me, man. I've been driving this thing for like 3 days, man. What she talking about, she said sometime it won't start. Sometime it won't crank. No, it crank all the time, it just won't start. Now, from the fault codes that I found, I'll show you the fault codes in a minute. To me, it's like driver type codes. Okay, now it's not like I'm missing any kind of cam or crank or anything like that. It didn't show anything like that. Let me let y'all hear exactly what this thing doing. Okay, get inside, turn the key, listen to this real closely. Nothing. It's just start over. It's not a broken timing belt or anything, because it's very intermittent. Very intermittent. Those are the hardest one to catch. Now this thing, it'll spin over and then it'll stutter spin, like stutter. You know, if you get your PT Cruiser and it's, as it's cranking over, it's stutter, and go, and go, and you will suspect engine problems. That's what this one was doing. That, yeah, see, that, my friend, is something in your controller. Also, based off the trouble codes, I can tell it's something in the controller. So I was prepared for this to happen because remember, y'all, I've been around for a minute on the PT. So I ride around with a PCM on deck because it's so intermittent. I always had a hard time duplicating it. So I convinced her to let me drive the car for a week. And within 3 days, now I finally can duplicate it. Duplicate it. That's what I always say, man. So you got to duplicate the problem. It's got to happen on you. I would have been throwing parts at this thing had it not happened to me. Again, based off the codes, these are driver type codes, like something inside. Normally, sometimes you can push on this. Most of the time, what I need you to do is unplug all the connectors and plug them back up. Sometimes you can wake up the PCM that way. Again, I'm basing this is no kind of test Chrysler offer or recommend for stuff like this. It's just, you got to base it off experience. See that? Wow. All I did was push in the pins. But I'm still gonna, because I'm running rough, running bad. I'm still gonna, so now it's smoothing out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this PCM. It's the same PCM. Now, it's not plug and play. Look at that, it died. This is not plug and play, people. So make sure you have your skim code on deck and you have a proper scan tool in order to program the skim code into this. Okay, if not, you're just wasting time. These are not plug and play. You can't simply plug this in and it start working. It has to be, this car is equipped with a security system. All 06 and up PTs equipped with security. Ain't no sense me plugging in. I'm gonna have to do this right now. Now I can't film this and do it, but I'm gonna put the PCM in this car, program it. I have my scan tool already hooked up, and that should get me going. So I just wanted to let y'all know